Now go get her dog treats. They're on the mantelpiece. Zuffy! Zuffy! What, Mama? Put him over here.
Food is treat.
Come on, Zippy. Come on.
Sit, Zara. Sit. Zara, sit. Good girl. There you get it. There, right here.
Come, Sarah. Come, Zippy. Come. Throw like 6 down there.
What is this?
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
You just lay here. It's
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
That's how you tame her. Damn, she's not jumping. Daddy, come here, Zoe. Come here, Zoe.
Rub on Zara, she'll get super jealous. See? Wait.
Oh, look at that one. She has no control. She's about to do the split. No, cat. No. No. No, Dark Meow. No. 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 No.
Meow. I can't stop him, Mama.
He's listening. Good boy.
Now, if you get some human food, they really get excited.
That's right.
Look in the refrigerator, I forgot anything. Oh, there's some spaghetti on this counter. Give them a string of it.
It's hard.
They don't care. They're dogs. Put it down. Yeah. Give one to Zara, because Zara can't help it. It's like, it didn't fall.
Closer to me.
Oh, you should reward her for that. She did a good job coming. She's like... No, wait. Let him... Okay, now let's switch him out.